Guys, what's up? Back, and as you can see, we're going to be opening a hobby box of 2017 Road to WrestleMania. Why do I have this? Well, went to a card show last Monday. A lot of hype as to what they would have, and it's pretty much all it was. Mostly baseball, football, no offense to any of that, but I was looking for wrestling cards, and this was the lone hobby box there, and I decided, hey, I went for wrestling cards. That's what they had. It's going to have at least 2 hits in it, so I took it home. Let's see what we got. A little bit of a glare with the flash, but I think it's a lot clearer. It's hard to tell with these cards. Looks might just be the border, but it's a Shane McMahon, Daniel Bryan, Shane, Undertaker, Zack Ryder. Corper, The Rock, Tatanka, Vaudevillains, Rusev, Sasha Banks. Does look like these might be bronze, just not numbered, so it's a little confusing. Kane, Jey Uso, Charlotte, Dean Ambrose, John Cena. Charlotte defeats Sasha Banks, Apollo Crews. Bray Wyatt, Rusev, Bronze Kalisto, AJ Styles, Shane McMahon and Stephanie McMahon, Roman Reigns, Undertaker. The Rock, R-Truth. The Rock takes out the New Day. DDP. Cesaro, Roman Reigns, Sami Zayn. He's fighting me a little bit. There we go. Alicia Fox. Not a bad looking card. Naomi, Luke Gallows, Carla Anderson, Charlotte, Dean Ambrose again, and The Rock. Kalisto, Kevin Owens, Bronze Ambrose, John Cena, Baron Corbin, Roman Reigns, Brock Lesnar. I did go to this show, of course, looking for Heritage, which again, this is pretty much the only thing I found there, but I did pick up various Heritage today at a couple of Walmarts and a Target, so there will be future videos of Heritage, because I know that's what everyone's looking for now. Got Roman Reigns, and it is blue, numbered 63 of 99. Xavier Woods, Chris Jericho, Dean Ambrose, Ambrose again, Roman Reigns, Kalisto, Wyatt family eliminates Brock Lesnar. Sure people would love to see that now. Ambrose, Stephanie McMahon, John Cena, Yeah, it's a Cena tribute. Shane McMahon, Roman Reigns, Lita, Enzo Amore, and Big Cass, both no longer with the company. Charlotte, Eric Rowan, another Cena tribute, Ambrose, Shane McMahon, AJ Styles, Roman Reigns, and Bray Wyatt defeat the League of Nations. Don't even remember that. Shane McMahon, Becky Lynch, Team Total Divas defeats Team Bad and Blonde. Seems like a lifetime ago. Dana Brooke, WWE Draft, Wyatt Family, Triple H. Summer Rae, Triple H, Bronze Wyatt Family, Brock Lesnar, Triple H, Brock again, The Miz, Ric Flair, Sin Cara, Bronze AJ, Sting, Godfather, Triple H, Roman Reigns, and Dean Ambrose. Baron Corbin, Kofi Kingston, John Cena Tribute, Dean Ambrose, The Club, Chris Jericho, Fabulous Freebirds enter the WWE Hall of Fame. It was a very nice induction. Got both theme songs in there, Freebird by Leonard Skinner and Bad Street USA. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Next up, Brie Bella, Emma, John Cena Tribute, Triple H, Brock Lesnar. Triple H defeats Dean Ambrose and the Usos. Starting to get towards the bottom here, so hopefully we will see some hits soon. Do like these cards though. Natalya, Goldust, Bronze Ambrose, Shane McMahon, Sami Zayn, Kevin Owens, AJ Styles. Lana, Jimmy Uso, Bronze Roman Reigns and Bray Wyatt, Triple H and Stephanie, Cesaro, Charlotte, Seth Rollins. Darren Young, Dolph Ziggler, Roman Reigns, Dean Ambrose, Sasha Banks and Bayley defeat Charlotte and Dana Brooke. Dean Ambrose, Brock Lesnar defeats Bray Wyatt and Luke Harper. Trying to keep these even. Heath Slater with long hair. Eva Marie, Dean Ambrose Bronze, Seth Rollins, John Cena, Enzo Amore, and Big Cass defeat the Club. New Day. And Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose powerbomb Lesnar through a table. Looks like we're down to the nitty gritty here. Last 4 packs. Big Show, Sasha Banks. A free pack that I'm sure is expired. Yep. Undertaker, Charlotte, Kalisto, Dean Ambrose, Vader inducts Stan Hansen into the WWE Hall of Fame. Big E. Looks like we got a hit. I think I spoiled it, so I'm just going to let it go. We got Rusev Auto on card. Not bad. 146 of 200. Don't have a Rusev, so I will take that. Mark Henry, Brock Lesnar, Kalisto, Brock Lesnar, Dean Ambrose, AJ Styles. Last pack. Oh, Sheamus, and bam, we got a Liv Morgan Kiss card. 39 of 99. Nice hit. So, had to wait for it, but pretty cool box. So, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Should have some more real soon, going back to Heritage.